Hi, this is Swift Education. My name is Hilary. Let's make a simple, colorful Gantt chart. We have the activity, the start date, the duration, and the end date. The start date is the date for the beginning of the project. The duration is the time it takes to complete the activity. So you take for you to find the end date, you take the start date plus the duration. The next start date coincides with the end date. So all the activities lined up and we have the duration. So the final end date is 8th February 2023. Yeah, let's begin. Click on insert a stacked bar chart. Right click, click select data, add, series name, start date. Series values, delete the default values, select, click OK, add, series name, duration, series values, highlights, click OK, edit, select the task from task 1 to task 8, OK, click OK, double click, select categories in reverse order, click on the blue bar, click on the color, select no fill, copy the cell, paste in values 44833, double click on the date, change this to 44833, expand the charts, add the chart title. Let's call this Gantt chart for project X. Double click on the charts, change the chart color, that is red, progress to the next, that is green, sky blue, select yellow, navy blue, maroon, light green, and black. Yeah, this is a simple way of creating a colorful Gantt chart. Thank you, like, subscribe. See you next time.